The last amendments that allow us for an investor to buy a property for 250.
But you look so beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And now you...
We are specializing in investment law and golden visa law immigration in Greece.
You will be my partner to make me explore
Of
Greece.
course.
You say
Πώς
είσαι.
είσαι. Yeah.
Πώς είσαι means how are you?
What do you say? What?
What do you want to say about me now? About my
You're a
accent?
happy person for sure. You represent 100% the institute.
Hi everyone, good morning. So it's Saturday and I am in holiday in Aero City, Delhi, and it's great to meet Anastasia, am I right?
Yes, Anastasia.
Anastasia,
Yes,
right.
yes,
So you're going to give the anesthesia to me today?
Sure, of course.
Sure. So first of all, welcome to this great talks
thank
and
you.
Nice meeting you and nice talking to you. First of all, could you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. My name is Anastasia Chroni. I'm a lawyer in Greece.
Okay.
I own a law firm.
Great.
We are specializing in investment law and golden visa law immigration in Greece. And I'm just first time here in India. It's a lovely country here, and yeah, I'm really excited to be honest.
Great. Very excited to just interact with you.
Yeah, I'm participating here to this expo today.
Okay. So when have you come from there? Like, is it first day that today you came or just?
I came last night.
Last night, okay.
Yes.
And you met me today.
Yes, sure.
Fine, it's gonna be great
I'm
experience.
only like 8 hours here in India.
Okay. Okay.
And I'm gonna stay a little bit to just, see around.
For how many days?
I'm staying for 5 days.
For 5 days, great. So
Yeah.
what are you gonna explore in India?
I don't know yet, you will tell me. You will tell me where
First
to
of
go.
all, I'll just, take your contact number and I'll call you at my institution,
sure,
right?
Sure, show me around, and I
Exactly.
want to go to nice tourist also places.
Sure.
And yes, just to see around. The first time here.
I'll help you for that and I'll take you there, right? We
Okay,
can go
alright.
Jama Masjid, we can go India Gate, we can go Qutub Minar, we can go Happiness Institute, right?
Okay.
And that institute is owned by me.
Happiness.
Yeah, Happiness
This is the
Institute.
best. I think the happiness is the
And
best
I can
thing.
feel the happiness on your face.
Try.
So coming to, coming first of all, that why to switch the country? My first question is, why to switch the country? Yeah.
Why choose Greece, you mean? Why choose...
Exactly. Means, for example, I belong to India, right?
Okay.
So you are suggesting me to switch the country from going India to just, Greece.
Yeah,
Why?
actually, it's your second plan. It's it's having a second option, investing in Greece
Okay.
at the same time getting access to Europe, to Schengen areas. So this is what we sell actually in Greece
Right.
with this program.
Right.
You are buying a property or doing another investment. Most of the people prefer properties because it's a stable investment and you never lose investing in properties.
Right.
And at the same time, you get the residency and you have access to all the benefits, in EU.
All right.
Most of the
So
benefits.
why
not all.
to just invest particularly in Greece actually? Why not in
In
UAE?
Greece, we have one of the cheapest program.
Okay.
You'll just invest 250,000 euros. And by starting at this amount, you get the golden visa residency. So it's cheapest, one of the cheapest programs.
Right.
We have, we have changed last years,
Right.
but we are still one of the cheapest program
Right.
in a lovely country.
Okay, great.
You have been to Greece?
No, never been to Greece.
You should come. You will
I'd
see
love
by
to be.
yourself.
Right.
Yeah.
And you will be my partner to make me explore
Of
Greece.
course, of course.
Sure. And okay, I just want to know, like, if I compare Greece to India, right?
Okay.
When there is a moment of comparison. So when I'm making a plan to switch from India to Greece.
Okay.
So what will be 5 things that you like to recommend me that you can find or I can find in Greece actually, not in India?
Okay, I don't know exactly about India now. I will tell you when before I leave more things. We can do a catch up after.
Right, exactly.
But now I can say that okay, Greece is a touristic country. It's really a beautiful country. It's a country where it's still cheap for investment.
Right,
It's a
right.
good time for somebody to invest to Greece
right.
after the crisis and all this. You have the option to enter Europe.
Right.
So you can travel freely,
Right.
having this residency.
That's fantastic.
And at the same time, you invest. It's a
Right.
good time for investment.
Right.
You can invest on a property, you have income, you have a revenue either from a hotel or whatever you
Exactly.
prefer to choose as an option.
Right.
And I think it's a really good.
It's very good.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's a good opportunity.
It's a good opportunity.
Now Greece, because also I think in the future they're gonna change it again. You know, last years they are making more difficult with the prices. They have strictened the price. You know,
Okay.
they have the limit. They start for 250, but we go now to 800.
All right. Okay.
So
800.
they limit the options of buying. Still have a lot of options.
Okay. Okay.
But I think now it's the moment to invest.
Invest, right.
Many people have invested last year.
There are
the
two things like
previous
we in
years.
Happiness Institute give the training and mentorship for IELTS and TOEFL, PT, OET and all to go European countries for study and general purpose, right?
Yes, a lot of people come for bring their kids also. A lot of Chinese are
okay.
coming and staying
To
in
Greece,
Greece.
right.
Yes, and for retirement. A lot of people come for retirement in
Right.
Greece.
Actually, they come for retirement.
Yeah, they come also for
Why do
retirement.
they come for retirement just after passing their age?
Because they love the place. You know, it's
Okay.
amazing. You can find I think it's the best place to
Great.
Greece to go, and you know, they have so many nice places. When you come, you will understand.
Right. Sure, I'll definitely be there, right? And okay, so they go for vacations. So what are the beautiful things and what are the good things that I can explore? Being retired, what I can explore, and how can I make myself peaceful?
You can just explore Greece. You can go for the mountains, you
Okay.
can go to the beach, you can just buy a property with sea view in a really quiet place. This is what they actually do
Right.
outside of Athens.
Right.
They're buying.
Okay.
In a mountain with sea view, you just, you know, peaceful. The rhythm in Greece also is nice.
Okay,
The tempo
great.
is nice,
Great,
you know.
great.
It's full of life also.
All right.
And you can find everything. You want to go, you know, you're going to be alone, you can find places you can be alone with yourself
Okay.
and the nature.
Okay, great. So it's like, you know, in India we have Uttarakhand, Kashmir. Have you
Okay.
heard about Kashmir?
Of course.
Yeah, Kashmir is also known the paradise and the Jannat of India, right?
Yeah.
So we usually go there to Kashmir. We sometimes go to Rishikesh, go to Manali, go to Shimla, and all these places. So I think Greece would be also having this kind of places and better than that.
Yeah,
And
it has a lot. So you have a lot of options.
Okay.
I cannot even count the islands
Okay,
that you
right.
can go. You can go and find from pleasure and, you know, going out to go somewhere and just be with nature by yourself. You can find everything there.
great. So
And
now,
also we have the capital. I think we are the only capital that in the same time, in the distance of 40 minutes, you can go from the mountain to the sea.
Achha, mountain to the sea.
Yeah.
Okay,
You can find everything in
Okay.
40 minutes.
40 minutes.
Yeah.
Great. So I can
Totally
explore.
different. Yeah, you can explore anything.
That's nice.
So I think that any difficult person can find everything in Greece.
Okay, well, it's so easy to explore and find, right?
It's easy. Yes.
So Anastasia ma'am has exactly told a lot of things to us, and she's quite interesting and she's quite fascinating, I could say. And the way she's expressing each and everything, I'm quite interested, right, to listen to her. And now I would like to tell you about India something, right? So today tomorrow we are gonna explore multiple things, multiple places. First of all, I would like to tell you about Happiness Institute.
Okay.
All right, because I am the owner and director of Happiness Institute, so I own it, and we conduct public speaking, communication, personality development, English speaking programs, study abroad, language, French, German, Spanish, and all programs.
Amazing.
Right.
It looks really nice. It seems really nice.
So, what's your language? Then, which language do you use?
Greek.
Greek. So,
And English, of course.
in English, of course, you're talking to me in
Yeah,
English.
I'm saying
So,
English.
Greek.
I tried to learn Chinese also, but it was really difficult. I
Ni
couldn't.
hao.
Ni hao, ma, and all this. I did 1 year and all this I remember. It's really difficult. You know, in Greece, we say it's all Chinese to me.
Okay.
The expression.
The
We say
expression.
it's all Chinese to me. When we
Okay.
don't understand anything, it's
Right.
all Chinese.
Okay.
While in England, they say it's all Greek to me. You know the phrase, expression. Because Greek is really difficult.
That's difficult, and it's one of the, I think, oldest one, ancient one, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Multiple words have been actually originated of English from Greek and Latin.
Yeah, and also in the sector of medicine.
Medicine,
a lot
right,
in mathematics and all
Right,
this.
right.
We have a lot of words.
So what would you like to teach to our students in Greek actually? Like, so I want to say that, what is your name? How can I say that?
You want me to speak Greek now?
Exactly.
Okay, my name is Anastasia. Το όνομά μου είναι Αναστασία.
Το όνομα Anastasia.
Okay, you have a good accent.
Thank you so much. Actually, I train the same thing. We and why is an accent. Yes.
Nice.
Okay. So, and how do you say, like, how are you?
Πώς είσαι?
Πώς είσαι?
Πώς
Πώς
είσαι?
είσαι?
Yeah.
Πώς είσαι means how are you? If I
Yes.
want to say I'm fine.
Είμαι καλά.
Είμαι καλά.
Είμαι καλά. It's I'm good.
Okay.
Είμαι πολύ καλά.
I'm very good.
I'm very good.
Okay. Είμαι πολύ καλά.
Πολύ. Yeah, πολύ it means more.
More.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Είμαι πολύ καλά. It means
Καλά.
I'm very good.
I'm very
More
good.
good. Very
Exactly.
good. Okay. The last thing.
Ευχαριστώ.
Ευχαριστώ.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Right. Okay. If I just
You have
want
a good pronunciation.
thank you so much. Actually, really.
You can learn easy. Yeah, you have. Yeah.
You know,
It's
if
not easy to speak in the pronunciation.
the pronunciation, right? But
Yeah.
I'm able to speak it,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, you seem good. Yes.
You know, I'd like to tell you my history actually.
Okay.
Since 2012, for
Yeah.
12 years, I have been teaching and mentoring to the students.
Okay.
Right? It's been long experience.
Yeah,
What would
so
you like to
that's-
say after interacting me?
What you say? What?
What do you want to say about me now? About my
You're a
accent?
happy person for sure. You represent 100% the institute.
Okay.
And you persuade me. If I was here, I will come definitely.
Sure. And I'll
Yeah.
contact you for that. And
You know, it's really, and also I like, you know, the name and all this, Happy Institute,
right.
happiness.
Yes, right.
They even have clinics for happiness.
okay.
For
they're-
laughter.
Yeah, exactly.
They
for
are.
laughter, yes.
I know, and in Greece we don't have. We should have, to be honest. Maybe you can come and do it in Greece.
Exactly, I will be there, right? I'll be there and I'll just meet you first. You will be the first
Yeah.
person I'll be meet you at airport.
Okay.
I have come, Anastasia, right? I'm here in Greece. Okay, the last thing I would like to just make you speak that you look so beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And now you say in Greek that you look so beautiful. How can we say that how you look so beautiful?
If you say to a girl, it's like είσαι όμορφη.
Είσαι
Όμορφη.
όμορφη. Είσαι όμορφη.
Yes.
Είσαι όμορφη, right?
Όμορφη.
Όμορφη.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you so much, ma'am. It was really nice
really
conversation.
nice,
and
really nice
I'm
to
really
meet
so much
you.
impressed. Right.
Nice.
Thank you
I'm
so
waiting to Greece.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
I'll be there, right? I'll be there.
Amazing.
I'll be there.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Ευχαριστώ.